got our basil over there with our olive oil in the processor. We're gonna end up putting a good healthy amount of garlic. You can use the pre-minced, but fresh is better. Little trick for garlic. Take your knife flat, pop it real hard, and then it peels, slides right out of its peel. Dice it up. Doesn't have to be super fine because it is going in the processor. Today we are making some traditional classic basil pesto. So I've got my basil, pulled the little leaves off. I'll probably add more, but I'm gonna put in just about that much olive oil so that it can start soaking down to the bottom. I may end up adding more. That's just to kind of get it to the bottom so that when I go to process this, it processes easier. All right, into the processor we go. All right, then we're gonna add in some pine nuts. Probably do about that many is probably good. Some Parmesan. Pepper to taste. Dash of salt. I'm gonna do another little dash of olive oil. All right, then I like to pop the lid back off, grab a wooden spoon, push it all back down to the bottom. And we're done.